Sankranti is a vibrant festival celebrated across India, marking the sun's transition into Makara Rashi, also known as Capricorn. Sankranti as an event signals the onset of longer days and increased sunlight. Now, this transition, known as Uttarayan, is not just an astronomical phenomenon but also a deeply spiritual and cultural event. It signifies the end of the harsh winter months and the beginning of the harvest season, making it a time of gratitude and celebration. Now, though called by different names in various states, the essence of Sankranti remains the same. That is, gratitude to nature and the sun for sustenance. In Tamil Nadu, it is celebrated as Pongal, a 4-day harvest festival centered on agriculture and community. Punjab honors it as Lohri, marked by bonfires and songs. Gujarat's Uttarayan is famous for its kite flying festivities, while Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka observe Makar Sankranti with prayers and the exchange of sweets. Sankranti showcases the scientific wisdom of ancient Indian traditions. The sun's northward journey is a time of increased exposure to sunlight, which is essential for boosting vitamin D levels and overall health. Activities like flying kites during the day encourages people to spend time under the sun. The festive foods such as sesame seed and jaggery based sweets are rich in nutrients that keep the body stay warm and healthy during the seasonal transition. The festival also carries profound spiritual significance. It symbolizes renewal, positivity, and progress. The sun, a universal symbol of energy and enlightenment, inspires individuals to shed darkness and embrace a brighter, more hopeful future. Practices like discarding old items during Bhogi Pongal or worshipping cattle during Mattu Pongal emphasizes harmony with nature and respect for life's interconnectedness. Sankranti is a festival that beautifully blends science, spirituality, and culture. It is a reminder of India's profound understanding of nature and life, celebrating the rhythm of the cosmos while fostering unity and gratitude among people. So, on behalf of Narayana, we wish everyone a happy Makar Sankranti. May this festival bring joy, prosperity, and positivity to all.